If you've been around crypto long enough, you know the meme coin space is ruthless. Projects rise fast, fall even faster, and most of them end in rugs. But every now and then, something breaks the cycle. Something that isn't just another quick cash grab, but a movement with attitude, a clear mission, and the community power to back it up. That's where today's project comes in. Meet Broke, the #1 frog on base. Broke isn't your typical meme coin. This frog has grit. It's not about empty hype or promises of guaranteed riches. Broke is built on a simple but powerful narrative, protecting the community from ruggers and jeeters while proving that memes can still carry morals and transparency. In other words, don't go broke. Get broke. Now, before we dive deeper, quick disclosure. This video is in collaboration with the Broke team. Nothing here is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. With that said, let's break down why this frog has been making serious noise across base and beyond. So, first of all, let's talk about where Broke came from. The project was launched just 3 months ago by CME, Creative Meme Endeavor, the development company behind other recognizable meme projects like Simon the Gator, Bocce on Base, and Croak on Caspa. If you've been following the meme coin scene, you know these guys aren't new. They've built a track record of launching projects that catch attention, build community, and sustain hype longer than the average fly-by-night token. That credibility matters in a space where so many coins disappear as quickly as they appear, and the market seems to agree. Broke reached an all-time high market cap of about $8.5 million just weeks after launch. Since then, it's retraced to a low around $1.7 million, but right now it's showing clear signs of an upward trend again. That's not unusual in meme culture. Strong projects often rally in waves as new buyers discover them and as the narrative grows. What matters here is that Broke already proved it can break past multi-million-dollar market caps, and the team and community are pushing for even more exposure. Exposure is actually one of the strongest points in Broke's favor. Unlike many memes that struggle to get listed, Broke already has 12 exchange listings. That includes well-known names like Mexi, BingX, Bitmart, and Lbank. Plus, it's live on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko for visibility. On the decentralized side, you can trade it directly through Uniswap on Base, on Aerodrome, and even directly through the Base app itself. That combination of CEX and DEX access makes it incredibly easy for new holders to get in, whether they prefer centralized platforms or the self-custody route. Now let's look at the ecosystem. Broke isn't just a lone frog hopping around. It's part of what's called the hash rug freeverse, an ecosystem built specifically to combat the darker side of crypto. The mission is honesty, morals, and transparency. That's not just marketing talk either. The dev behind Broke is fully doxed, the contract is renounced, and liquidity is locked. Those are 3 of the biggest red flags investors look for in meme projects, and here they've already been addressed. That's why the community is calling Broke a rug-free meme coin, a rare breed in today's market. And speaking of community, Broke has already grown a massive following on X, with over 50,000 people keeping up with the project's journey. That's not just a number. In the meme coin space, community is everything. A project can have perfect tokenomics and solid branding, but if nobody's talking about it, it's already dead. Broke, on the other hand, has managed to capture attention across base and build a reputation as the top frog in the entire ecosystem. When people think of meme frogs on base, this is the one they're pointing to. Let's also put the numbers into perspective. According to CoinMarketCap, Broke is trading around $0.0037 per token at the time of this recording, with a market cap of about $2.3 million. The fully diluted valuation is roughly the same, since the circulating supply is already close to the max of 690 million tokens. That means there's no hidden dilution risk waiting down the line. The token hit an ATH price of around $0.0134 earlier this year and at one point dipped as low as $0.00037. So today's price is both a significant recovery from the bottom and still well below the peak. In other words, Broke has proven volatility, but that's exactly what draws meme traders in. Daily trading volume also shows that people are paying attention. Depending on the day, Broke moves anywhere from $250,000 to over $1 million in trading volume across exchanges. That's impressive liquidity for a meme project at this stage, and it means there's enough activity for both small and larger holders to enter or exit positions without crazy slippage. But beyond charts and numbers, What makes Broke stand out is the narrative. This isn't just another Pepe copy or a random spin-off with no direction. The Broke brand leans into the fight against ruggers, cheaters, and the darker side of meme trading. It's a frog with grit, a frog with attitude, and a frog that represents a moral stance in a space that usually has none. That story resonates with communities who are tired of being burned by low-effort cash grabs. And honestly, the meme culture matters here too. Frogs have always been one of the most recognizable meme archetypes in crypto, and Broke is perfectly positioned to carry that forward on the base network. Combine that with the track record of CME, the wide exchange presence, the rug-free ecosystem, and the fast-growing community, and you've got the ingredients for one of the more promising meme coins currently in play. So if you're looking to explore Broke for yourself, make sure to check out their website at brokenbase.fyi. You'll also find all their socials linked there, including their massive X community. As always, do your own research, manage your risk responsibly, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. But if you're curious about what the #1 frog on base is building, Broke is definitely worth a closer look. Don't go broke, get broke.